Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Jan if you're new here. Today, I have been wanting a club sandwich for weeks. I just cannot get it out of my head. So we're gonna make a club sandwich. I baked up a package of bacon last night. We have roast beef, oven roasted turkey, got a big juicy red tomato, got my Kraft singles, got my Texas toast, some romaine lettuce, and my blue plate. Now, this sandwich, because I forgot to get regular bread at the grocery store the other day, this sandwich is going to be bigger than it needs to be. I'm certain I won't be able to get my mouth around that, especially with all the stuff in it, but here we go. I'm about to put 3 slices of Texas toast in the oven on broil. You can use a toaster. I don't know, I think because we didn't have a toaster growing up, my mom always made toast on broil in the oven, so that's what I'm about to do. So I'll be back. Let's do this. Okay. First slice. Got to have mayo. I toasted this backside just a little bit, not enough to brown it, but just enough to harden it some, so that my sandwich doesn't get soggy. Now I'm gonna leave this mayo sitting right here. Lettuce. Make sure you get crisp lettuce for this, y'all. Tear them little pieces off. Now I just washed and dried this lettuce, and I still ended up with a piece of dirt on there. Make sure you wash your lettuce. Very important. There we go. I want my tomato on my club very thin. Anything else, I want the tomato slice as thick as I can possibly get it. Pepper. Salt. Only there, only on that spot. Now let's see, what do I want to do? Do I want to put my... I think I'm going to go ahead and put my bacon here. I can already tell you, I'm not going to be able to eat this. Okay. Slice number 2. Just a little bit. Sorry, I forgot to open the roast beef. I opened the turkey, but I didn't open the roast beef pack for some reason. All right. In fact, I think I'm going to put my cheese, the roast beef. This was not the video I intended to make today, but I just cannot get these out of my head for some reason. And now I can't get the roast out of the package. I never understand how they... Okay. I should probably just put 1, but we're going to put 2. I hope y'all are having a lovely week. Can't decide what weather we're going to have down here. It's getting pretty chilly at night. in the 30s, and then we're back up to 70 during the day. So I'm freezing at night, drinking hot chocolate, freezing in the morning, and then by noon, I'm in shorts. Let's see. That's enough. Okay. Another piece of lettuce. That sandwich is huge. Another piece of bacon for the cook. And some more mayo. Holy moly. You'll see how big my sandwich is. Woo! You may have messed up, Dan. Yeah, there's no way I can eat that. I'm just and here's my little puny toothpicks. Let's see. Well, see if we can smash her down just a little bit. This oh, wrong knife. Let's rate it. Yes, I cut this the wrong way. Look at that beauty. Should definitely fill me up. Probably won't be able to eat half of it. Alright, let me see if I can. We're going to put one there. And one there. Obviously, I'm cutting this wrong, y'all. But the sandwich is just a little bit too fat. Which I knew it would be. Like I said, I got the wrong bread. I didn't get the wrong bread. I just forgot to get the right bread. Just saw something fly off. Alright, this one looks the closest to the way it's supposed to be. My bacon. Oven roasted turkey breast, roast beef, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and bacon. Yes, ma'am. That's exactly what I wanted. Make yourself a club sandwich, y'all. I love these. I bet I haven't had one of these in 20 years. At least 15 years. I know I can't eat all this, but I bet on it's the inside of it if I can't get through all this bread. Anyway, I will see y'all back in a couple of hours because there's something else I keep craving. So we're going to get them both out of the way today so I can get back to dealing with making holiday candy. See y'all shortly. Thank you for watching.